So what is this? What is this?
Rough.
Huh? You say what?
Rough.
Why is it called rough? You know, they used to ask that question. There are two endoplasmic reticulum in the cell. We have the rough and the smooth. This one is the smooth. This one is the rough. Why is it called rough? For obvious reasons. Why? It contains ribosome. Look at this small dot on it. It's what makes it look rough. Okay? And this small dot is called ribosome. Okay? Take note of that. It is called rough endoplasmic reticulum because it contains ribosome. What is this? Golgi body or what? What's the other name they call it? Yes. Golgi body or Golgi apparatus. Okay, what is this? Huh? Huh? Lysosome. The way you are calling it. Huh? Lysosome. Now what is this? Cytoplasm. What is this? Cell wall or cellular cell wall. Cell wall. What is this? Cell membrane. There is also what we call plastic, but let's not put that plastic because it functions with the chloroplast also. That's where you get the word. Oh, I didn't even. Okay, chloroplast works with chloroplast as well. Okay. Now, if for instance, of course, let's say you are preparing for your WAEC and your Jamb, right? WAEC and Jamb. Of course, we know Jamb is a multiple choice exam, like this AB, OBJ. These are the kind of things you will see. So I want you to be familiar with, okay? I realize I have not labeled it. What is this? Huh? Sen? Huh? What is this? Huh? Central? Central cannot be found in plant cell. Is this not what you are talking about? Huh? Or what are you talking about? This can only be found in animal cell. Okay. Just as plastic can only be found in plant cell, central can only be found in animal cell. This, okay, let me make it. Now, what is this? Huh? I've given you the answer now. Huh? What makes the endoplasmic reticulum a rough endoplasmic reticulum? Huh? So what did I label now? Ribosome. Now, looking at this any day, any night, when you see something like this, you can be able to say, okay, this part is this part is this. So you can be able to differentiate between one part from the other. Like the one that is most confusing is the mitochondria and the chloroplast. Like they almost look the same, they look alike a lot. So you must be able to differentiate that when you see, like in your multi-choice or multi-choice questions like APJ, of course you only see that they will label some parts. They may not even ask you the name, they will just label, like this part now, they label it like this. And they will say Roman figure, what is the function of it? Not necessarily what is the name, because more the name, they may look at that. This is quite simple. They will ask you what is the function. What is the function of the nucleus in the cell? What is the function of the chloroplast? chloroplast. What is the function of the vacuole? Ribosome, nucleus, mitochondria. Okay, they will ask you some questions like this. Okay, the lysosome, endoplasmic reticulum, the cell membrane, cell wall, rough endoplasmic reticulum. Of course, you know we can convert this into plant cell, animal cell, right? We can convert it into animal cell. Yes. If we want to convert it to animal cell, what do we do? What can we do about that?
You remove chloroplast.
Hmm?
You remove chloroplast.
We remove chloroplast
And cell wall.
and cell wall.
And large central
Large.
vocal.
Fatima has just said the correct thing. And what again? It's just one. You mentioned three. Cell wall, chloroplast, large vacuole in the middle, and one thing, then just one. There are four things you're going to do. No. No.